What's up, guys? Tim, Sundown Fools ATV. Okay, this is part 2 of the tying on your water meter install. Let's see, good things to have. The blue hot glue. Man, it glues under any conditions. You're gonna make one wet connection, the rest of this will be dry. 1-inch PVC ball valve. The gate, you don't want that, there's brake. All right, here is the, for Pender County, this is the required check. This is a dual check valve backflow preventer. Keeps your house from bleeding back into the county. This is the, that's the ball valve. And then this is the pressure reducing valve. You must have this pressure reducing valve. It should look like this. That tag that inspector's gonna wanna see, a certain set of numbers, all right? That's what he's looking for. These are gonna go together. You're gonna see this one's gonna come with another nut on it. Sorry guys. It's gonna come with this nut and union. Don't go looking for that other damn union. You thread it in here. You make the threaded connection on both sides. See the internal threads? All right, that can drive you crazy. Same thing here, thread. Now to fit this in the box, I'm gonna damn near have to hub it fitting to fitting. I do not like doing that as a plumber because that's bullshit. But this is the valve box that I'm gonna put. All right, maybe there has been a few questions and a few comments. That's why this big ass wide ass hole is wider here. It's because I'm gonna do my tie-in right there, snake under that drain field line. This is a thermal expansion tank, not a bladder tank that you get at Lowe's. This is a very important piece. It has to be 200 PSI rated, 200 degrees Fahrenheit. They're gonna look for that, even though it's on a cold line coming in the house. Stupid, but you got to have it. All right, so this is it. They call it a water heater safety tank. It is not the same thing as a bladder tank. Do not get a bladder tank from Lowe's. He will fail it. All right, let's see. Okay, Charlotte pipe, because I live in North Carolina. See that 1-inch PVC schedule 40. All right, gotta be schedule 40. That's schedule 80 coming out of that tap. A lot of people are gonna read the paperwork and confuse it thinking you need schedule 80 and you don't. I'm gonna have to sneak one in on the inspector there. I'm going over the top of that drain field, it's too close. All right guys, so maybe there's a few questions. Let me sum up some shit here real quick and let you know why I did everything. This is a septic tank, all right? Front tank, front lid, back lid. Distribution box, drain field, drain field, drain field. They go up and arm out. That one comes out and that thing tees out. There's a lot of drain fields out here, okay? So that's why I didn't run a trencher up beside here. Plus you gotta have a locating, which is free, but it's the time constraint, all right? Didn't have time. So that, I brought it kind of close to the middle so that it didn't interrupt the structural integrity of piers. We went over this yesterday. And then also, why didn't you just go straight from the meter and go past all that? You wouldn't have went all past it. And with a trencher, I know I'd have hit them drain fields. So that's why everything you do is for, well, everything I do is for a reason. I put this bladder tank under the house. The bladder tank is gonna go on its side and I'm gonna make a stand for it. Also, see that? I didn't want to. It's gonna go in line there, on its side, below the valve, all right? And all that's 3/4. I'm gonna leave it, and that's why I got my 3/4 stuff. So I'm gonna tie that in on the T. And then I'm gonna come to this outgoing line and come back in. I would like to swing it, and make it 190. I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna do a 90 to 90. So it's gonna have a bullhead, but if done right, it'll work, you know, just fine. So guys, that's the valves. I did the measurement. It's 28 foot, right at 29 foot almost, from one side of the porch to the other. Yes, I got on my hands and knees with a shovel and sawed the handle off about 2 foot up and used that. Rounded the edge off, and yes, wear gloves, you'll tear your hands up. So the line's getting ready to go in. I'm getting ready to do all my connections, thread my fittings, go ahead and do the makeup of the valves up at the truck, and drop the line, run it to the back. I won't tie it in until the day of the inspection. If they're coming in the morning, I'll be here before them in the morning. If they're coming in the afternoon, I'll beat them here then. So, yep, insulate. I'll show y'all what that insulation's for too. Next video will show, well, insulation won't show that till the end. So there'll be one more video than the final when it's cover up time. I'll talk to you guys soon.